So let's sell chickens using DeepSeek AI SEO. Can't believe I'm doing this video. But anyway, why DeepSeek for SEO? Because it's fast and it's open source, and let's try it out. Like, it has some good way of responding. Like the AI, compared to other models, to ChatGPT or Claude, the AI influence is very much low when it compared to DeepSeek with other models. So why don't we take leverage, and I'm going to show you some basic SEO tips and also important things when it comes to optimizing your website. With that being said, let me introduce you AI SEO Writer called RO AI, and there's a lot of features in it. So let me just show you. So if I get in a dashboard, you have SEO article. By just simply typing in a keyword, you can generate an entire article. You have the AI news article. You can fetch the latest news, recommendations, suggestions, and auto publish to your WordPress. Amazon single product review. Simply input your Amazon URL. If you're offlet, Amazon offlet, blog post to Blogger, then so very relevant for you. And then YouTube to blog post. So you are bored of finding keywords and you want to take those videos and create it into blog post. Maybe you're a YouTuber who want to turn your YouTube videos into blog post. This is one of the features. All right, I am on my WordPress. Okay, so basically I just installed a RankMath, and I want to sell chickens using SEO. Okay, I want to get leads or sales conversions. Now I have a RankMath right here. Okay, now I'm going to feed it into, I'm gonna take this RankMath suggestions and feed it into DeepSeek AI, and based on that fundamentals, I'm going to create an article. Now we are inside DeepSeek, and I just want a good keyword. So I just searched on Google, sell chickens. I want to sell chickens. Right now there's a Reddit ranking right here. So let me just open a new tab and let's see if there is any high volume of content. I guess not. These are just comments. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip this, and let's see what the AI overview is doing right here. God, I hate AI overviews, guys. Let me know what you think about AI overviews. Like these. Okay, how to make money off your chickens. Sell chickens online platforms. Okay, how and quota. I don't want. Let me see the quota.com. Okay, we have a ton of content right here. Almost all are internal link to their own domain. I don't want to check that. Sell chickens online. Okay, we have got the blog site. It's not a blog site, it's like a front end landing page. Let me just go in and look at actual blog. Okay, how do I sell my chickens? Right? No, this is a forum page. Okay, this is not the page which I want. How to make money off your chickens. Alright, so I'm going to take this one as an example, okay? Or what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go with, so let me give a prompt to DeepSeek, okay, instead of going into the Google. Alright, so I can also go with people also search for, so people also ask for. Now I am, and I want to, like I'm coming up, like I'm live giving the prompt, like or sales conversions to SEO blog articles by creating topical authority around that keyword. Okay, chicken sellers near me, or 1 second. Alright, I want a step-by-step action plan for next 10 days. Okay, let's keep it at 10 days. Okay, Failed to create a session. Why is that? Okay, I'm going to simply enter the prompt and let's see what action plan it gives. Okay. It's funny, guys. Okay, the user is a chicken seller looking to boost their SEO vertical targeting chicken seller near me. Okay, he understood the assignment. And what else? What else? Finally attended. Okay, just finished. I just want to see the action plan. So it's basically giving generic, what I should do, like use a Google Keyword Planner and create GMB, competitor audit, chicken sellers near me. Okay, plan 4 or 5 blog topics targeting primary and secondary. How to find best chicken seller near you. Alright, I'm going to copy this one, create a high value content, top chicken sellers near me, why chicken, local chicken sellers, shop fresh chicken, organic chicken sellers near me. You know what? Meat. Okay, fresh chicken. Alright, I'm gonna take this keyword. Okay, now I want a SEO blog article to rank for this keyword and follow the RankMath guidelines or suggestions which are given in the uploaded image. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the RankMath. So I'm going to paste these as screenshots. Okay, I just uploaded all the images and let's see how the blog article looks like. So I hope it doesn't crash out in the middle of writing the blog article. Okay, let's see. The user chicken seller wants to create an SEO blog article targeting first chicken near me. I need to address all the errors and listed images. Okay, it went through all the images successfully, hopefully. Now this is a good one. You can read the images and yep, 7 trusted tips to find best fresh chicken seller near you. Alright, table of content, introduction, start with the focus keyword. Now I'm really curious when it comes to balancing the keyword density, how it's gonna spread out, like based on the number of words used in a blog article, how many keyword density, like how much keyword density it's going to get. Okay, one person used 8 times in 800 words. No, now it passed all the optimization checklist, guys. So this is a quality article. Alright, subheadings, it has used alt text for images. Maybe not. I think it crashed out. So it has written the introduction and then body content. Discuss. Okay, it has just given outlines. Alright. The structure addresses all RankMath keyword placement. You just gave me an outlines but not an entire article. So let's see how it fixes. Okay, the user wants full SEO article. So now I need to tell it explicitly because there's so much content, there's so much information to process. It has to go through all the RankMath checklist and every single thing. Okay, so finally we are getting a blog article to sell our chickens. How cool is that in 2025 with the DeepSeek AI? Really excited if I'm really selling the chicken, like if I was really a chicken seller. Alright, 7 expert tips to find the best fresh chicken near you. And then first 100 words keyword. Why fresh chicken matters. Now health benefit, internal link. Okay, it's really good now. It's asking me to internal link explicitly. 7 tips. And what else? How to verify. Now it's really good, guys. How to verify freshness. Top 3 benefits of buying from local farmers. Now these are all okay. FAQs, great. I'm satisfied. Alright. So because I think it's struggling to write article because I gave the location based keyword. But it's fine though, okay, it's fine. Now I want to really show you how easy it is to create an SEO blog article, whether it's location optimized or internet optimized. This Arvo AI SEO editor is one for you. Now the link will be in the description for this tool. You can check that out for free. So let me just go here and enter the title to the keyword, which is first you can hear me, and add 2 keywords. Now once you add keywords, it's gonna go into the waitlist section. Now here I can simply click on generate article by editing it. If I click on edit, there are some advanced details. Now I've talked about this in a previous video, you can check it out. And once I do that, click on generate article. Now once I click on generate article, you need to wait less than a minute to see a whole article generated, SEO blog optimized. Alright, you can see it has generated an entire article, discovering the best fresh chicken near me, a local sky to quality. Now you can see the AI image generation is really good with the alt text, and then we have meta description, and then we have all the key takeaways and H1, H2. Now the AI image generation is getting so much good, especially when the OpenAI's new image model is updated, okay? And you can really see it has even added the quotes and how to check skin on skinless, bone in boneless, and tips for selecting fresh chicken, which is really good. And then we have prices comparison. You can see $5, $7, $8, right? And then we have good internal linking, and there's also some detailed guide in cooking, and then freezing, health benefits. Now it's really good. And then we also have FAQs. Now let's say guys, if I don't want anything, if I want to change anything up in this, I simply go to the edit with AI inside Arvo AI editor itself. Now here I can select the paragraph which I want to replace, and it prompts me to rewrite, make it longer, make it shorter, make a list, make a table, add more keywords, or add external link. Okay, so this is Arvo AI SEO editor. Now if you want this, there will be a link in the description, you can check that out. Absolutely, you'll get a free generations. And with that being said, hopefully we're gonna sell our chicken.